good. And then, no. How about the clouds? You color it with green again. Ayan. Oh, careful. Oh, Shatam. One direction only. Oh, no. This one. Yan. Oh, careful. Shatam. No. The objects above the house lang. Oh, this one. Okay, next. Okay, and circle the objects below the tree. Okay, you get your lapis and you circle all objects below the tree. You circle the chicken. Oh, circle the chicken. Circle the chicken now. You circle the chicken. Circle. Draw a circle. No, it's like this. Like this. Like that. Circle. Next, the butterfly. You draw a circle. Like this. Circle. How about this? The dog. Oh, draw a circle.
No.
Draw a circle on the dog. Okay. Oh, draw a circle. Draw a circle
And
on the dog. Yes, and the carabao below. Below the tree. Yan. And how about this one? The cat. Okay, the cat. Oh, circle. And then, how about the carabao? Like this. Like this. Below, we have also the mango. Oh, yan. Very good. So, the dog, the kid, the cat, the carabao, the mango, butterfly, and the chicken are below the tree. Nga pala 59 to
62.
62. Okay, next. Color the objects above the hanging bridge blue. Oh, come on. You color it with blue. This one. Above the hanging blue. Ayan, this one. All the objects here. You color ang masakit na ibon. Oh, there, the ibon. You color the ibon. Blue. Yan. Lumipad. Yan. Yes. And the tree there. Okay. No, there. The butterfly. Okay. There, the eggs, yes. Above the bridge blue. Okay, this one also.
The egg sasakit.
This one. That is a butterfly. Oh, you color the butterfly. The objects.
The butterfly.
Okay. Next, you color naman the objects below the hanging bridge with orange. Okay, we have the frog. You color it with orange. Ayan, very good. How about very good. The leaf.
Alam mo, the bone went to the
This one
vine.
also, this one.
The
The
vine.
leaf.
The leaf there.
There, the
There
grasses. The grass. There. Oh, the kid. Yan, very good.
Magiging pie.
Gilif. Ayan, very good.
But the leaf there.
The leaf here. Come on.
It's a bit
Okay.
good. It's covered the stuff.
Next. Draw a circle above the square.
Above this square.
Come on. Let's draw a circle above the square here. Listen, Louis, sit down. We have here a square. Now, you are going to draw a circle here above the square. Oh, draw a circle now. Draw a circle here. No, above. Basta yati circle. No, careful. Make it circle here. Oh, careful. You fix it, anak. You fix it. Circle. Draw a circle. Nini.
Dapat mag-ruler ng laser.
Wala na akong mali pag-ituwanan na dahil kasi doon naki-shape mo.
Yeah, it's a sweet.
Di ba kung si shape mo?